Now we're going to see the USB connector or universal serial bus connector. So also among the common faults that you can encounter in dead motherboards or failed motherboards is a bad USB connector, the same working principle. This connector contains the ground, the plus 5 volt, the D minus and D plus. I mean data plus and data minus. When these pins inside this USB connector is broken or bended or damaged, you can get a failed motherboard, especially when two pins touch each other. The same working principle also for other connectors like RG45, as you can see. This is RG45. It contains about 8 pins or 8 terminals. The terminals should be good, should not be damaged or bended. If you have any part that is damaged, you should replace it. So now I'm going to show you a damaged part. So a damaged RG45 port, as you can see here in the sides, in the right side, as you can see two terminals that touch each other, as you can see. So this is, as you can see, a damaged part.